Hi friends, I am Dr. Swapna Chekuri from Hyderabad Women and Fertility Center. So today we will be just discussing about tips and tricks to overcome the problem of infertility. See, for any lady, basically you have to concentrate on your menstrual cycles. As long as your periods are regular, nothing to worry. So either two long cycles like more than 35 days or even more than that, or two short cycles like less than 21 days duration, you need to consult a gynecologist. Or else if you are getting periods only after taking the tablets, or else haphazardly like a history of irregular cycles, then also you need to consult a gynecologist just to make sure whether your ovulatory function is normal or not. That's the first and foremost important thing. Second thing is basically avoid a sedentary lifestyle and keep yourself healthy. Have a regular exercise of at least half an hour to 45 minutes per day. And then take a healthy nutritious diet which includes sprouts, salads, green leafy vegetables and dry fruits, everything to a calculated extent. And maintain adequate hydration to keep yourself healthy. And then avoid overweight or even underweight as well. Some people, they do exercise very vigorously and they become lean, even their body mass index, it becomes less than the normal. So either overweight or even underweight can affect your fertility wise. It can lead to ovulatory disorders. So maintain a healthy normal BMI ratio. That's the most important thing. And then make yourself just have a general routine regular gynecological consultation so as to ensure your hormones are all normal, and just keep a check on your ovarian reserve. So when you consult a gynecologist, they'll check your hormones, they'll see whether your uterus ovaries are normal or not, and at the same time they'll assess your ovarian reserve. If your ovarian reserve is normal, then also you are in safe hands. That's the most important thing. And then most important is like plan your pregnancy before your reserve goes down. And then in your habits, avoid excessive smoking or excessive intake of alcohol, and then excessive intake of caffeine. All this also can impair your fertility wise. And then basically you have to reduce your stress. So maintain deep breathing exercises, go for a regular walk, or else aerobics of your choice, and listen to music of your favorite songs, or at least 30 to 45 minutes a day. All these things will relieve your stress. At the same time, any coital difficulties, you need to consult a doctor. Either the lady might be having a vaginismus, she may not be able to allow the partner to come near her, or else the male partner can have an ejaculatory dysfunction. He might have some erectile problem. So both the couple, either the female partner or the male partner, if they are facing any difficulties, so better they consult the doctor so as to treat if any underlying pathology is there, that has to be treated initially. And then suppose if you are having any endocrinal abnormalities like thyroid disorders or prolactin disorders, even make sure that they are under well under normal limits. So all these factors and all these precautions if we can take, and any underlying factors if we can detect and treat early, then also we can overcome the problem of infertility. So it's all there in your hands. Of course these are all the these are the steps you need to follow to maintain your hormones well under control, and as long as these are all normal limits, so nothing to worry regarding the fertility wise. Thank you.